things with the iPhone. I think it was something like that. And he had us download a lot of different programs onto our phone. Adobe Scan is free on the App Store, and you just download it onto your phone or your iPad. And then, we just lost it. You just press it, and it says looking for document, and it's just searching around for whatever it can take a picture of. So you put your document down. This is the ticket that I'm working with. You put your document down, it finds it, these blue dots appear on your phone, which are measuring the size of it. And it took the picture. I didn't touch it at all. It took the picture. And now what it'll do is it'll square it out. It'll make sure, you know how sometimes when you take things that are tilted on one edge and that, this will square it out. So if you listen, you can hear it taking the picture. So now I have the picture in here, and I don't know whether you can see it or not. Yeah, it looks like that. It'll automatically change the background color to make it stand out more or whatever. And then you just save it to your photos and upload it the way you would upload anything else. It gets such a good, clear picture, and you didn't have to play around with getting it centered or anything else. It does the whole thing for you. So I think it's pretty clever because I don't have to do anything.